It is a true honor to be here among you at this Global Leaders Meeting on Women organized under the theme One Shared Future, New and Accelerated Process for Women's All-Round Development. I bring with me warm greetings from my government and my people, including the women and girls of Sri Lanka, who form the backbone of our society and economy. Excellency President Jinping, I thank you for your leadership at this significant moment where leadership on gender and women's equality is so important. All-round development of women is holistic progress of women in education, health, economy, politics, society, and culture. 30 years ago, the world came together in Beijing for the 4th World Conference on Women under the theme Action for Equality, Development and Peace. The Beijing Declaration and Platform for Action, adopted at the conference by 189 countries, remains one of the most progressive and comprehensive instruments for achieving gender equality. It laid out a clear vision and identified 12 critical areas of concern, highlighting the systemic barriers women face across every sphere of life: poverty, economic, political, and institutional participation, education and healthcare that must be addressed to achieve full gender equality. By addressing these interconnected areas in a comprehensive way, the framework contributes to women's overall development, ensuring not only their basic welfare, but also their rights, empowerment, and ability to participate fully and equally in shaping society. Despite gains, significant gaps remain. At the current pace, it will take an additional 137 years to end extreme poverty among women. Today, 47.8 million more women than men face moderate or severe food insecurity. Women also remain underrepresented in the fields that will shape our future, accounting for only 35% of all graduates in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And in politics, gender parity in Parliament remains a distant dream, not expected to be reached before 2063. The political declaration adopted at the 69th session of the Commission on the Status of Women held early this year in New York, which also marked the 30th anniversary of the 4th World Conference on Women, acknowledged a hard truth: that no country has fully achieved gender equality and the empowerment of women and girls.